In his book, Inside Reporting, A Practical Guide to the Craft of Journalism, Tim Harrower divides opinion writing into three broad categories. The first category is topical commentary. This is the most popular and prolific form of opinion writing, where the writer uses a column to react with insights, outrage, or humor to current events, politics, and social controversies. Next is the personal reflection column, in which columnists use experiences from their personal life as universal truths that resonate with readers. Columnists share painful, poignant, and humorous insights into their families, friends, and social relationships in columns that read a bit like diary entries. And finally, there's the slice of life column, in which the columnist acts as a storyteller, roaming the streets, eavesdropping on ordinary folks, and capturing slices of everyday American life with dialogue and narrative.